So bafethu, it keeps getting better for Mpumi yabona. uGabriel akakwazi ukuma ukuspoil uMpumi, and uMpumi keeps getting happier and happier, but I don't think she has realized still ukuthi bayamuse. This person slept with umzwakhe through uGabriel. Gabriel made connections, and uMpumi had found out ukuthi uGabriel was the one who orchestrated ukuthi uMpumi alala nomzwakhe. So this is the way that Gabriel is actually apologizing to Mpumi by sending Mpumi flowers in order to apologize. On the other side, I'm just confused ukuthi uWendy is happy about this. UWendy uyasupporta lento, she's loving what she's seeing. I understand. Uzwe uyacula laphana imuthweri gigaba bamncoma uGigabyte guys ngalobu villain bakhe, but they can't see ukuthi uMpumi is used, especially uMpumi ukuthi akabona manje ukuthi she has been used bafethu. You understand? And ke uMpumi keeps flexing to uWendy, you understand, regarding her having to get like the queen treatment without even knowing ukuthi uGabriel is still using uMpumi. Nakho umsendela ama-chocolate and whatsoever guys. I don't know when uMpumi is gonna learn, because umzwakhe, the very same Zwakhe, was actually trying to use uMaruna futhi but through Gabriel. So Gabriel is cooking up these meetups, these link-ups, these sexual link-ups, but these people can't really see. Maruna was woke, you understand, ngoba simbona she is actually with uBonko, yabo. She has been seen romanticizing noBonko. Well, actually, no one knows ukuthi she has been romanticizing noBonko, but there were suspects ngoFelicia ukuthi something's actually going on, because uBonko went all out having to protect uMaruna and pay for uMaruna, buy out Maruna from Revelation Records back to Genesis. And protecting Maruna from Gabriel. But now, as you can see, these guys are actually romantic. It seems as if things are actually coming together, because remember, uBonko ushiwe owethu. Owethu is just out now. She's out of the country, you understand? And this is how Bonko is getting back with Maruna. Seems as if Maruna is winning about her old ways no Bonko. Because Maruna has been crying for Bonko. But there's a plot twist in this thing, because Felicia uyafika endlini, yabo. As you can see, Maruna is hearing a knock from the door, and uBonko doesn't want Maruna to intervene in that knock, but Maruna has to do some duties, because there are some people who have a meeting yabona nabo Wendy, yabo, regarding community stuff, yabo. So Maruna wanted to take care of that, so uBonko had to be soft. When Maruna answered the door, it was Bonko Felicia. Felicia came through to Wendy's house. Imagine all of this, Maruna no Wendy, is happening at Maruna no Bonko, is happening at Wendy's house. Imagine Wendy, because Maruna has been left alone, and Wendy went to stay with Mpumi. So Felicia figure, and you can see the disappointment. uBonko tried to hide, but he failed hiding. What is he doing here? You understand that Felicia never actually expected uBonko would go back to Maruna, but she saw it with her own eyes. Felicia have bamba na bafethu abambu Ishmael nokuhle sebamba uBonko noMaru. Jesu yabamba nalo mama. But moving forward, this guy is approaching uyago mafitotho nabo Ishmael, because Ishmael is making money and buying umfundisi imoto, yabo, and bought umfundisi imoto rather, I say. So Ishmael was njengomuntu nemali, so everyone now wants to dig into Ishmael's pockets. Lo muntu uyafika ubatshela ukuthi njengoba uthengele umfundisi imoto, you also owe us, yabo, usikweleta nje ibrai. This guy ufuna ibrai ku Ishmael noma Fitotho, especially Ishmael, because Ishmael is the cash cow. He is the one who actually has the money. Genesis. So he bought umfundisi imoto in form of appreciation. Now this guy wants to come, and funny thing is, Fitotho no Ishmael, I'm taking this guy serious. Because lo ufikile kusakudlala ethi uzofuna ibrai ukweleta umphakathi Ishmael has to make a bri won't kill, you understand? So Fitotho had to step up, atshele lo muntu ukuthi akaphume kubo, else this guy is gonna get a beating. Yabona. So this guy decided to actually walk away, yabona. Baqhubeka Ishmael Fitotho nebond yabo. Fitotho uyambona ubamba isikhwama uyofunda, yabo. So uyabuzwa kuMaruna lapha ukuthi why why are you doing this? Why wenza lento le Maruna? Because bebekhulumile benoFelicia ukuthi uMaruna akahlukane noBonko. But it gets more worse ngoba uWendy uyabuya uza endlini laphana only to find out ukuthi how uBonko is actually sleeping noMaruna lapha endlini kaWendy. Yabo, uWendy is thinking ukuthi uFelicia is negotiating a Genesis deal noMaruna, which is not the case. It's not the case. uMaruna ubanjiwe noBonko, so uFelicia is there to fetch uBonko. So when he comes in, when he steps in, it gets more worse. When they find out ukuthi there's something happening in her house, you understand? But uMaruna isn't telling Wendy anything, so no one knew, yabona. Kanti uFelicia knew by actually witnessing it with her own eyes. So uBonko begqoka ke bafethu, he had to step out of the room, you understand? Wendy is shocked to see uBonko inside the room, yabo. So it gets more worse because manje sekuliwa kuFelicia noWendy. And uWendy ke manje sevusa amagama kamuzi, of which actually offended. It actually touched uFelicia ukuthi hey ungamthinti makuthi igama likamuzi because bazoxabana kakhulu, you understand? You can see in Wendy's eyes she's disappointed, yabo. At the same time uWendy is tired of abantu bakaThabetha. She's very tired, yabo. Bonko feels guilty, apologizile Bonko, bamtshela ukuthi bakhathele uxolisa kwakhe. They are tired of him having to apologize, understand? So uFelicia bezolanda uBonko, uWendy is saying uMaruna has to follow them, yabo, because uBonko has made a wife out of Maruna, you understand? And uFelicia asho ukuthi no, akamdingi uMaruna entuze kwakhe, uzolanda indodana yakhe, you understand? Uzolanda indodana yakhe. So Maruna is forced to call a family meeting regarding what she did to uBonko. Yeah, but now it's getting more worse. But moving on, bafethu nyambona kumfundisi laphana in his church, you understand? He is waiting to have a meeting no Ishmael. So Ishmael arrives laphana. Kunano nkosikazi kamfundisi in the mix. So umfundisi was basic, he was straightforward no Ishmael in terms of him having to give back the car that Ishmael bought him, because leya Ishmael writing as a gift kumfundisi. But umfundisi akasayifuni, not necessarily ukuthi akasayifuni imoto. He is returning the car because he has been receiving backlash from the people and the media. So in the previous episodes, Mfundisi was receiving backlash regarding the car that Ishmael bought him as a gift. So Nokuthula is actually attacking. Nokuthula is Ishmael's mom, apparently. He's attacking Mfundisi, he's attacking the media. He's going to the media and convincing the media to write bad about Mfundisi, negative about Mfundisi, having for Ishmael to buy him a car. So Ishmael, I should say, that gift wasn't from him specifically, but it was from heaven, it was from God. And it was a blessing to Mfundisi regarding everything Mfundisi has done for Ishmael. So respectfully, Ishmael won't welcome the car back. Ngeke aze ayithathe imoto Ishmael. He told Mfundisi ukuthi ngeke aze ayithathe imoto because the car is Mfundisi's gift and Mfundisi has to appreciate the gift, because Ishmael will never and he won't take the car back. We understand. So Mfundisi ke convince Ishmael, he failed dismally because Ishmael has made up his decision and he is standing on it. So moving on ke bafethu ke Felicia is still yabona offended, I can say nakhona like she's worried about uBonko. Yabona, that was a perfect words to put them. She's worried about uBonko, and uBonko does not seem to have a concern about Felicia, honestly. uBonko does not seem to have a concern about, because Felicia bizambuza ukuthi hayibo usiyahlanya yini, is he running out of his senses? Uyamphoxa by going back to Maruna, because Felicia akamfuni Maruna regarding what Maruna did no Gabriel back earlier in the episode, you understand? But apart from that, akamfuni Maruna. Always was always the chosen one, but always has left uBonko officially, you understand? So Felicia khalaza ukuthi she is getting humiliated by Wendy, you understand? Uyamhlaza uBonko, uyamhlaza Felicia by going to Wendy's house and sleeping there, of which shouldn't have happened ukuthi uBonko aye lapha ayolala naye, you understand? uBonko kumtshela Felicia ukuthi hayibo dala yena, he can do whatever he wants, bese ngeke isidingo sokuthi uFelicia ahamba yomlanda. there wasn't a need for Felicia ukuthi ahambe ayomlala. You understand? Because he knows the way. Yabo, he knows the way back home. Yabo. So Felicia is actually asking uBonko politely ukuthi what's happening, because she thought ukuthi omalume bakaBonko ngasekhathi bemphuzisa umuthi bemdlisa inyama yengwenya, they've helped him. But no, it seems as if uBonko was pretending to be assisted by omalume bakhe when they made him drink umuthi, eat inyama yengwenya and whatsoever. You understand? So Felicia had to ask politely ukuthi kwenzakalani. You understand? Because she feels as if she is losing uBonko, or there's something that she is doing that is not right. You understand? So mela enzeni kuBonko. So moving on ke bafethu. Mafethu no Ishmael babanjwa inkunzi la. Babanjwa inkunzi laba bantu la. Mabebanjwa inkunzi, they are aiming for Ishmael, but Mafethu also stepped up for protecting Ishmael. So they came in, they barged in the door, and you could hear these thieves, Batibona, they want money from Ishmael. They want to step out of poverty, but they want money from Ishmael because they believe also Ishmael is rich and wealthy, regarding him having to be an artist. So he can do the same with these thieves and actually provide these thieves with whatever they want, especially when it comes to imali. Understand? So Ishmael has to take out his pockets and give them. Understand? But now the funny thing is, Umafito seems to actually recognize this face. Yeah, well, even though every mask we couldn't see, but Umafito seems to actually realize the face. So Hanjelo laptop Umafito, so he can't study further without the laptop. Baba they got robbed. I wanna but family meeting bafethu is tense. Kashuba lapha family meeting because kunabo Zakaria lapana in the family meeting. You understand? So Umaruna had to explain herself ukuthi what happened, because abatshele Zakaria abatshele uWendi. Now Umaruna had to actually spy on herself and tell the family ukuthi ube nobonke lapana endlini. So Umaruna does not respect indlu kababa kaZakaria. Akayihloniphi la ndlu leyana, because she shouldn't have slept with uBonko lapana, but because she was home alone, I think she made an option ukuthi uBonko afike lapana azolala khona. So the thing elevates, it escalates. You understand? Because Maruna slept with uBonko already, and now the whole family knows. So it continues to Uwendi not having to believe in Maruna. Zakaria, no, Uwendi don't believe in Maruna, because Maruna has finally popped up the truth in terms of the investor, of which was Umzwake, Gabriel orchestrating ukuthi Maruna ayolala nomzwake. So Maruna finally exposed the truth. Esho tshela family ukuthi uGabriel orchestrated her and Umzwake to sleep together, but it failed because Maruna refused to sleep with Umzwake. You understand? So Zakaria stood up. Etunamanga Umaruna. I call her Umaruna, because Umaruna refused, and then she had to call Bonko for help, and Bonko had to come. And that's the reason why her and Bonko are close, because Bonko saved her from sleeping with Umzwake. And probably the same thing also happened to Mpumi, because Umaruna actually sensed the same thing happened to Mpumi. And right away, when she said that, they made a phone call to Mpumi, telling Mpumi that she must go to the house as soon as possible because it's urgent. They need to speak about this. I think it's going to force Mpumi to speak the truth to Gutian, and she slept with Umzwake. But this whole plan was actually orchestrated by Gabriel. So Maruna is telling Zakaria Gabriel, because Zakaria no end keep praising Gabriel because of the lifestyle Mpumi, but they can't see Mpumi is also getting used, and Gabriel was the one who was behind Umzwake, the investor, to sleep with both sisters. But luckily one refused and the other one agreed to sleep. Understand? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Like the video to support us. Thank you very much.